All right, so for this one, it says, what is the axis? Well, let me scroll down. It says, what is the axis of symmetry for the following function, x squared minus 4x plus 6? So the axis of symmetry is where it crosses, where the left-hand side, it's a vertical line that cuts the graph in half, where the left-hand side looks identical to the right-hand side. And it goes through the vertex. Now, if I were to guess, I would say right here is the vertex. So that looks like it occurs at 2, 2. So the axis of symmetry would be x equals 2, right? And so that would just be a vertical line at x equals 2. And that is one of the options. Does that make sense to you guys? By the way, what was that? Example number 6?